Welcome back to Dusty Trail Adventures. We're in Perth today. 3 of us out, going out for a bit of fun. We're riding out the back of Mount Dale. So, some little flow, twin track flow trails. And yeah, should be good.
So we're running the format a little bit different today. I thought I'd try no music, so it's just 20 minutes riding. Just riding, not a lot of talk. So something different, see how the vibe feels with the community watching it. I do talk to myself a bit when I'm riding, so I kind of beat myself up when I do it verbally. So yeah, I kind of makes me refocus when I'm making mistakes, so kind of a handy tool to have. Yeah, I don't know, it's just something I do. We've all got our own little innuendos, so yeah, helps me anyway.
Oh, loose shit. Shit line, Mick. Shit line, Mick. Jesus. Get out of it. So this is a cool little loop that I found a while ago, and it's just good to come out here. It flows really nice. A good variety of sand, marbles, bit of pea gravel. But yeah, as soon as we get any like storms or super high winds out here, you've got to take it pretty easy till you sighted it in again. It's a lot of sticks and trees come down on it, logs and stuff. Yes, it'll all change soon once we get the rain as well. A lot of these quite bumping through here. Once again, just got to pick your lines, pick the right lines, Mickey boy. Constantly got to remind myself to make sure I stay on the balls of my feet. Kind of get bounced around a lot and realise you're standing on the middle of your foot, so yeah, just want that to be on your toes. You can really push into that suspension and turn your bike. Good thing about this gearing is I can ride third gear a lot everywhere. Yeah, I lug it a bit, but it picks up pretty quick. Just wait for the boys because there's a turn here. Are we ready, boys? Alright, so we've had our regroup, everyone's safe. Time to hit it again. Right around left. Forgot how tight this little section was. Haven't been up here for a while. Log on the left.
So in the lead up to this part of the trail, there's quite a lot of old trees that have been down for many years scattered across, so there's quite a lot of ride arounds to the right and the left. It does mix it up because you come into it pretty quick on your brakes and readjusting. Still good fun. It's quite deceptive these next parts when we start going down an incline, just how eroded it is. So it is quite important to pick the right line. So it's good to really focus on trying to look ahead as far as you can. And I guess having the familiarity with this loop like I have, that this incline section that I'm about to embark on shortly, I have had plenty of time to work it out and take bad lines and put myself in not great positions. So yeah, but it will change after we get rain again. The water erosion will change the environment, so that's a good thing about it. It's always changing, and it's just slippery because we've got that pea gravel everywhere over here, and today was a dry day. Anyway, moving along.
Log right on the downhill. Memory, left line, that's it, left line. Right line, that's it, Mickey boy. Pick your line, good boy. That's it, that is the way. Nice. All right, wait for the boys. Left, left, left.
Awesome weather today. The riding conditions were just great. It did get up to about 30 degrees around the middle of the day, but the trails were just flowing, the vibes were good, and just had a really good time. It was a good day to just think about technique, focus on what you're doing. It was a little bit dusty. We had that real white fine dust mixed in with the red, so we all give each other a bit of space. Hence the reason we didn't group up too much today. Yeah, it was just a great day. Lightning Trail Loop, that's what it's called. It's a loop that I made up. It's good fun.
Fuck yeah, kangaroos. Jesus. Alright, here we are at I call this lightning tree trail. So a few months ago when I come out here, I come tonking along this bit. Runs parallel to the Brookton Highway, and a bit of lightning's giving it a good old smash. And it just blew it everywhere, so I actually picked a bit off. Now there's 3 of us here, we could actually clean it up a bit more, I guess. So righto guys, as mentioned before, this is my lightning trail, and this is what lightning does. Have a look at the way it split it. Like, it's absolutely diced it. It's like it was perfect strike with the grain. Check it out guys, it's pretty impressive. So we've just picked a bit of it off the track. Give you an indication how far it went. There's actually splinters over here on the other side. So the tree's over there, it's a good 10 metres away. And here's a bit of a splinter out here. Tell you what, you wouldn't want to be out here in a storm and fair shit yourself. Righto gentlemen, come in close. What do you reckon about lightning trail so far, boys?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
Flowy, eh?
Yeah.
Really nice and flowy.
Mick?
Yeah, it's good. It's the first time I've seen that to a tree, so it's really interesting.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? There's
Great trail. Great trail. Good different sections, especially when you come through that like all the washout and stuff. That's pretty cool through there.
See my nice little tuck at the start there?
Yeah.
I thought I was going down for sure.
Well, here we are guys, there's the 3 steeds out on lightning trail today. Parked up nicely, representing all manufacturers in the world. We'll quickly do a run over. We've seen the CF Moto before. She's still running strong. We've seen the KTM. And here's a new tributor to the Dusty Trails team. This is the DRZ Suzuki 400. Step and shot, Mick, what have you done to her, mate? Have to come in close, mate. I've got the microphone in my helmet.
The only thing I've done since I got it from the shop was just the bark busters and the bash plate on it. That's pretty much it.
Yep.
And the quad lock, but apart from that, mate, she's stuck as a rock.
Pretty standard.
I'm really impressed with how it's handling as well.
Yeah, nice.
Very impressed.
She looks like a lazy boy in the rear end when we're following you.
Yeah, it's like a big lounge chair, mate. Sit over that back wheel and hold on.
Righto, we're going to continue on and do a little bit more of this. Eat, sleep, ride. Whee, slippery. That's it, hold your line, Steve.
Well, what an awesome day we've all had. It's been really good fun. If you're not a subscriber yet, please feel free to subscribe and help me grow the channel. Hit the like button, thumbs up, any comments. Yeah, this is just a really good part of Perth, out the back of Mount Dale. Lots of variety of riding. As you can see, it's very skatey. And yeah, it keeps you on your toes. Good fun all in all. No one crashed, so we had an awesome day. Like, subscribe, share, do all that sort of stuff. And yeah, be safe out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a little bit left to finish.
From memory, that's a G out. Yep. I I've hit that G out before and definitely give myself a bit of what for. How was that, Mickey boy?
Yeah, that's a really good fast session there. That's unreal.
We're going left.